Hello everybody, this is Rohan Kumar and today we will be discussing about our newest project, that is resume filterer project. In this project what we have done is that we have created a program using Python programming language that helps us filter out resumes based on our preferences. In this program it will automatically take a sample size of resumes, a lot of resumes actually, and filter them out on the keywords we want in those resumes. So for example, if a company wants to hire only people that know MySQL database, the company can simply put MySQL in the requirement list and our program will only show the resumes that contain MySQL as a skill in them. This program, as you can see here, is made up of Python, and as you can see this resume filterer, we first have to extract this file. You have to extract, it takes some time to extract, so I've already extracted my file here, and here it is, resume filterer file. After that we can open it. As you can see, it contains two folders. First is my environment, second is resume filterer. My environment folder contains all the packages and Python programs that we have used in this library, all the libraries and packages we have used in this program. So we have to use this environment when we use the project. In resume filterer there are four files. First is resumes. In resumes there are some sample resumes that we have used. These are example resumes. Anyone can put any number of resumes in this folder, and after we run our program with a list of requirements. As you can see, we have a demo requirement here, that is embedded C. So you can put any number of requirements, for example Python, C++ or something like that in this file, and in after that we run in the main.py file, and the resumes will be sent here in output resumes directory. Automatically it will happen. So let me tell you how our code works. So as you can see, we have our folder open in Visual Studio Code, and as you can see we have two folders. First is resume filterer, second is my environment. When we go in resume filterer and open main.py file, as you can see this is our code. So as you can see, we have imported two modules. First is OS to open directories and make files and stuff. PyPDF2 helps us to read PDF files. Then we have assigned a directory resumes in which our all of the resumes are kept. As you can see, we have some example resumes, and in this line, this part of the code, we open the requirement.txt file and take every line by line requirement and put it in a string this, and then in this part of the code what we do is that we lowercase the every requirement so that our program is not case sensitive, because if our program is case sensitive then there will be problems if we use uppercase or lowercase. So that happens. After that we use a for loop to go over every file in the PDF reader PDF we have in the resumes folder, and if it contains a substring or any of our requirements, then it will automatically be saved in output resumes. We will see our example here. So let's open terminal. After opening terminal is used to run the programs, as you know. So the first thing that we need to do is open our environment so that we can successfully use all of the libraries and programs for our main program. So let's do that. We have to type my environment scripts / activate .bat. After this our environment will be activated. Then we need to go to resume filterer using cd command. Cd command is used to go to resume filterer or any directory as such. After that we can put any requirements in here. So for example, we take a random resume here. From here we will take a random resume. Okay, so we will open a random resume, let's say this one. When we open this resume, let's just take any keyword or skill that we need. For example, we might need, like for example, we might need embedded C as our program. So the skill we need, the requirements we want, we will just type, like for example, embedded C is the requirement. We can just type embedded C or basic Python in our requirements.txt file, and after that our program will filter out resumes that contain this basic Python into this output resumes. So let's do that. After that, after updating our requirements.txt, what we need to do is this: we have to type python 3 to make it run our python.py file. This is the file we are talking about, we talked about earlier. This is our main file. After that, after we run this, as you can see, it will list our requirements. What are our requirements? It will list, and it will automatically, as you can see, it will put the resumes which contain, as you can see, which we took our requirements from the same resume. As you can see, this is the resume. It contains our basic Python keyword, and here you can see in requirements we have put basic Python, and this resume contains basic Python. So as it contains basic Python, what we have done is that it automatically comes to output resume, and we can open it and get the text overview automatically. This is the text overview of the resume that contains our requirements. No, not only that, the resumes which do not contain our requirements, for example this one and this one, are not in our output resume, which means our software has successfully taken out the resumes which contain words of our requirements. So as you can see, this is how our project works. It can filter out the resumes based on our requirements and separate them from the whole list of resumes, so that it is easier to hire people. So as you can see, this was our software. This is our uh, main directory in which all the resumes are kept. This is the main directory in which all the output is kept. The resumes which do match our requirements are kept here. So this was our project, resume filterer. Thank you and have a nice day. It filters out resumes according to our requirement of a huge list of resumes. Thank you and have a nice day.